Freya. Hi, I'm Millie.
Part of our exercise that we're allowed once a day. Again, we're lucky that we live so close to something like this, and there is absolutely no one around except for somebody over there walking their dog. Burn off a bit of energy and a change of scenery, and oh dear, it looks like Millie is falling off. She's still mastering the big hills. Doesn't quite understand that she needs to pedal and keep on pedaling. Freya's zooming round. Come on, me, get back on. Yay! Did we hurt ourselves? No. Do we know we need to keep pedalling?
Yep.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
Rusty hands.
Nah, it's alright. There's nothing on there, is there?
He's just rusty hands.
Rusty hands.
Rusty hands.
You're going to do it the other way then, me? Is it easier the other way?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go the other way.
You go the other way then. Go on then, I'm going to watch you go. That way then.
No, this way.
That way's easier, isn't it?
No, let me try if I can do it.
I wouldn't go down there. Oh, okay.
I'll go down there. I would go down there if I was there.
Go on then, I'm worried about you.
Why? Oh, God.
Yeah, exactly what I'm worried about, yeah. Well, this is going to be our 30 minutes of cycle ride, if no one else comes. If they do, then we'll have to move on, but we will see. So happy Easter, everybody, and have a wonderful day. Or if it's not Easter, still have a wonderful day. Bye bye.